Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got a small bag of fresh green beans. And whether you're buying them pre-packaged or in bulk, or growing them in your garden, the first thing you want to do is make sure all of the stems have been removed. Nothing to it. Then in a large pot, halfway filled with water, you want to add some salt. And as soon as you bring this to a boil, you want to add your green beans and blanch for 1 minute. In the meantime, I like to chop up a couple slices of bacon into thin slices. By now we should be able to start removing the green beans from the boiling water. Traditionally, you want to cold shock your green beans in a bowl of ice water. That keeps them vibrant and crisp. But that also keeps them flavorless, and I'm not planning on serving these cold. So the ice water isn't necessary. But getting them out of the boiling water is. So once you get that done, you want to add that bacon to a hot pan. Go ahead and spread that out evenly so you can start to render that fat. And I'm sure you already know how to cook your bacon. I'm not trying to say you don't, but all you have to do here is make sure you get some good color in there, and then go ahead and add your green beans and some chopped garlic. Just mix this in thoroughly. Make sure that garlic activates in that heat, and that bacon grease mixes in with all those green beans. Now you're ready for the secret ingredient, lemon juice. Don't even think about leaving that out, because oh, what a difference that makes. And you're just about ready to serve. But there's still just one tiny ingredient you need to add to top this off. Fresh grated Parmesan cheese. And it's best to do this after they're out of the frying pan, otherwise it ends up being a melted mess. And there you have it, green beans and bacon, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.